This is a review of the ZELITE Infinity Serrated utility knife. It's 5.5 inch, made with Japanese VG10 super steel. Really nice box that it comes in. Tells you a little bit about the knife here, directions for use, etc. Presentation is excellent as usual, and lovely little box here. It tells you all about the knife here. It's heavy duty, like I say, Japanese steel, clad with 66 layer high carbon stainless steel blade. Tapered bolster for extreme comfort. You've got your Japanese mosaic rivet. Full tank for perfect balance, and these knives by ZELITE are absolutely excellent. I mean, the presentation itself is really good. All nicely protected. Knife itself comes with a plastic bit there, just take that off. You've got a nice serrated blade here. Pardon me. Feels really comfortable in the hand. It's a really nice length as well for cutting things like vegetables, bread and stuff like that. So you've got the ZELITE logo on the blade here. On the other side it tells you about how strong the metal is. You've got your nice little rivet here. There's 3 rivets in the blade itself, and you've got the really nice end of the knife. Razor sharp, non-stick. Really good. You know, when you see these knives, you know that they're going to last a lifetime. Really spot on. Really quality knives. Everything about it, the knife, presentation, really good. So if you're looking for a utility knife, and you're not really going to get any better than this, to be honest. Perfect. Thank you.